The Holystone HS260 is the perfect quadcopter for beginners. It looks kind of intimidating at first, but if you take off the propeller protectors, it's your everyday amazing drone. They are there to protect your propellers because you're a beginner and just learning out. If you know someone who's just starting, this is the perfect one to get them because it does have the propeller guards and it can protect their propellers in many different ways. It has a 1080p camera, 30 minutes of flight time, a gravity sensor, voice control, trajectory flight, and it has its very own storage case. It's very easy to use. The battery has a push button on the bottom, which makes it super easy to take out and put back in. The camera is adjustable. Each of the propeller arms fold in. Super easy to carry and transport. It also comes with 4 extra propellers. The transmitter, which is super easy to hold, and it holds your phone very nicely. It can take still photos or videos. All the controls are conveniently located, which makes it real easy to use, simple to operate. And the instruction manual is super user-friendly. It gives you the exact details, step by step, exactly what you need to start your drone journey. The biggest reason I'm glad I started with the HS260 is because of the propeller guards. Happy flying! The HS260 drone. Turn the drone on, long press it. On the transmitter, short press it. They both blink. The green light on the HS260 drone and on the transmitter receiver thing, the red blinking light. Press it to calibrate it. The left control up and down. And you heard the beep, it's calibrated. To start the motor, both of them down and in at a diagonal towards each other, towards the center on the bottom. Press the arrow up, down, and it goes straight up and just hovers in the air about approximately 5 feet. So make sure you have plenty of room. It goes straight up, and it just hovers.